So, can you tell me more about the concept of the brand, of the ADN of the brand? I know it's about transparency with the formulas and also eco-conception. That's it.
So you said everything in no, joking. So Jean-Baptiste Roux, I'm one of the founders of Maison Jus, which is a new brand. A new brand, as you said, that is an eco-responsible brand, eco-friendly brand. All our bottles are refillable, so we are trying each time to produce the less possible and to reuse as much as possible. Okay. So we are reusing the bottle, we are reusing our boxes, we are reusing old molds from the 50s and the 60s. We are reusing also furniture when we are doing a podium or at Le Printemps Haussmann, for example. So we are reusing old furnitures. So that's really, you know, how we say our mantra and to reuse the things. We are also, as you said, transparent. We are fully transparent. We are sharing the full formula of our perfume. So we are revealing the beautiful ingredients, natural ingredients that we have, and also all the beautiful chemicals that are really necessary for the creativity in the perfume. Exactly. But also the creativity. If you want to find new notes, you know, like, you know, for as an example, you know, it's angel. At that time.
With the metal.
Exactly, so that's chemical. But you know, Chanel number 5, that's, so again, so that's something that we like to talk about, natural and chemical, and to say the truth, and to explain, you know, the work of the perfumer. That's really important.
It's a good thing, because a lot of people are afraid of chemical, and it's not it's a good thing, and a lot of fragrance wouldn't have been made without chemicals.
Or they can think that chemicals is used because of price. That's really not the case. No, and the perfumery, it's because of the creativity in order to have some new notes, some new fragrances. So you need to, that's R&D, recherche et développement, this kind of, and that's very important for the perfumer. When you are talking with them, they like to discover new scents in order to build new fragrance. So we are completely transparent, and we are revealing the full formula of our fragrance. So if you like one fragrance, you can have a look at your formula on our website and check exactly what is it inside, and you can understand that you know, there is not only always bergamot on the top, rose, cedarwood, and then vanilla. So fragrances is a bit more complex, and the creator, but for us also one of the points of the brand is total freedom for the perfumer, and to put again the perfumer at the center of the game. You know, they are the real creator of the fragrance, the perfumer, and so showing the formula is a way to explain the work that they are doing for us. Right now we have 5 perfumers working for us, and they have total freedom, so that means that they receive no briefs, there is no consumer test or this kind of things. They propose for Maison Jus the fragrance they like to do just for us, and sometimes they are inspired by the upcycling, sometimes they are you know, inspired by the colorfulness, the color of our fragrances, and so they do very colorful fragrance. Exactly. So there is many. Each perfumer is doing a perfume for Jus, but in a different way. So that's why we have very different kind of signature according to the perfumer we are working with. And so we are working with Céline Elena, we are working with Aurélien Guichard, Fabrice Pellegrin, Aliénor Massenet, and Alexandra Carlin, who did the latest one, our newest
that's what we're going
fragrance.
To discover.
Yeah, please.
Yes, so it's over there.
Yeah. And we can enjoy the view in Cannes.
Yes, I remember that. The creator told me about this antiquity, you know, that kind of things.
So Bloom Astral, it's a fragrance from Alexandra Carlin.
Okay.
Thank you. And Bloom Astral is it's a beautiful jasmine.
Yeah, but
it's a very particular jasmine, because the name Bloom Astral it means like a bloom, so l'éclosion at night.
Yes.
Because indeed, you know, the jasmine.
But flowers are more expensive, more opulent at night.
But that's not the same, because the jasmine You know, when you if you want to take the jasmine for the fragrance, you take it in the morning.
Yeah.
And because the jasmine is a
Very
flower, yeah, very fragile, and it's a flower from the morning.
Yeah.
The best quality, you have to wake up very early to
Yeah.
smell it. If you smell the jasmine at night,
Yeah.
perhaps it's not the jasmine,
Yes.
but it should be the galant de nuit.
Ah,
Galant de
yes.
nuit is a kind of jasmine.
I heard about
That's you can smell if you go on the French Riviera, you know, at night. If it's 10 at night and you are walking, you are smelling jasmine. For sure, should be a galant de nuit. And it's a jasmine that is between jasmine tubereuse.
Yeah.
It's a very particular kind of jasmine, but it's a jasmine that you cannot extract for perfumery.
Yes, because it's not because you gather it in the morning usually. So
Yeah, exactly. And this one is by night, and you cannot extract. And so here it's a work of Alexandra Carin in order to
recreate.
exactly. So to recreate it, she took a jasmine that is cœur de saison. So
Okay.
the heart of the season, you know, jasmine you can start to harvest starting June,
Yeah,
and you
and
end
September.
September, October.
Yeah.
And so here, and usually the jasmine, it doesn't smell the same at the beginning of the season and at the end of the season. So the producer generally mixed everything, and so he has the same quality. You know, he can sell the same quality. Here, Alexandra, she took a jasmin cœur de saison, so in the middle, at the end of August,
Okay.
and to have a very particular jasmine. And then she worked on this jasmine in order to recreate this kind of galant de nuit she had in mind when she was smelling this in the nature.
It's
and so it's a
beautiful.
beautiful jasmine,
Yeah.
very.
And it's not too much, soliflor or solinot. We smell different shades, different tonalities.
But so, and look at here. So here you have this famous formula,
Yeah.
and so you can see that it's not only a soliflor. You have many things.
Yeah.
And of course, we were talking about these natural ingredients, but also those chemicals. Everything is here.
Yeah, because there's a texture, special texture. There's something very hairy and yes, it's special. But it's very nice and very sensual.
Very sensual jasmine, perhaps the most feminine jasmine fragrance that we have in our portfolio, because we are already mixed. But it's also it's the more floral, I would say, in our fragrances. And so just fresh launch, just for Cannes.
Okay, great.
So you are one of the first.
Okay, we are very happy.
Smelling it.
Okay. So thank you so much for your explanations. And if you have something to add, maybe, or
I invite everybody who has Fragrantica to come and discover our fragrances on our website, of course, Jus Parfum, and or to have the chance to discover the brand in store if you have a store close to you.
Yes.
Or to order our discovery kit, if I can do some promotion.
Yeah.
So we have a small discovery kit, and you can order it and discover our 11 fragrances, plus on top the new one. But so it's you have a mini spray 2 ml of each of our fragrances, and we have a bestseller that is calling Sexy Crush. I don't know if it's because of the name, but it's a beautiful wood, rose and vanilla accord created by Aliénor Massenet. And we have many other very good fragrances, Embraseur, we have Noir Essence, we have Superfusion, which is a super musk, very nice also.
Okay.
You have everything in the box.
Yeah, great.